Okay, I will introduce this data set. This data set for the assignment is Titanic attribute. Oh, okay. Okay, this is the Titanic attribute. I want to give to you. What is the Titanic attribute? Titanic. Okay, this is the Titanic attribute here. That's from today and the end also. But this is just for you that you have to do it by yourself. Do what the following things, please. Please download the data set. And I will told you what we will do. This is Titanic attribute, right? OK，我要带你做哦，请你跟着我哈。This is the Titanic attribute. Then create a new one for assignment. OK, save as. Oh, 3. Also, copy paste. The topic is assignment. Homework 3. First, import pandas as PD. Make the data set. So I collect data frame. Okay, I collect data frame. It's okay. Pandas read CSV and I import and load this data set. 好，我把这个 data set because default is the download, right? I make it in the same folder because all the Python file I put it on the desk. Okay. Sorry, I think I gave the wrong number, wrong data. 这个是没有遗失值的，对不对？完全，我应该给的是另外一个 sorry。应该有一个 train，我是看到，抱歉，有一个 train，Titanic train，我先看一下它是不是有遗失值的 Titanic train，Titanic train。这个好像比较有少一点点。It's okay， 那我们就用这个 ，Don't worry about it. We just use it. Okay, just use it. Okay. Actually, you have 9 attributes, right? 9 attributes. Oh, it's have a missing value, so I think the data set is correct. It's okay. So first, you can follow up the assignment. The first one is the metadata， 就是你依照我的作业一样，照这样子哈。所以我 save as a new file. This is for assignment 2. Part 2 就是 assignment 4， 这是 assignment 4。 刚刚那是 assignment 3嘛 ，now is assignment 4. Sorry, assignment 4. Titanic attribute. First, the data set is Titanic attribute. Titanic data set. Please follow me. How many attributes? Total 9. How do I know? Because the data frame tell me 9, right? 9. And how many instances? 1039. So 1039. 9 attributes, right? How? Target variable, not this one. Delete. Target variable 在这个呢是铁达尼他有没有生还 survive survival or not? The passenger survived or not? So here target variable, did the passenger survive or not? 它是一个不零 value, yes or no. 好 Number 5. I will let you know the attribute meaning of each one. First, T class 就是仓位 T class. Attribute. I use the 表格哈，插入一个表格 because you have 9. T class. It's numeric. 好，然后呢是性别 sex 是 female and male， 这是 nominal。好，再来是年纪 age， 没什么好写的 age。New and next is sick. SP， 这是旁系血亲 brothers and sisters numeric， 有多少个兄弟姐妹？ And then parent children. It means parent and children. 好，它也是 numeric. Parent and children. And the fair, the price of the ticket. 当然是数字型。好，再多加一行叫 carbine 船舱。carbine 呢就是 the position of the room is nominal. 好，剩下最后一个码头 in Mark 有3个 in barn。就是他是在哪里登船的。好，到这边，同学其他部分没有完成，对不对？下礼拜我教你好吗？可以吗？所以这个作业先到这边，我不开。Next week we will follow from here. I will teach you how to finish the assignment. Okay? Okay. So I will cancel it, make it unpublished. But you have to type at this stage, okay? You have to type at this stage, okay? This is nominal, so you can have the screenshot quickly. 你说要拍，现在可以。然后这个 assignment 是我们下礼拜再带大家做，好吗？那你要带这个档案来哦。OK， 好，从这边开始，对，从这边开始，从这边开始。这个作业我带你做，之后就你自己做的，带你做。OK，class dismiss。